Bose Frames Tempo allow you to experience powerfully immersive audio without headphones while staying aware of your surroundings. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your frames. Let's begin by opening the box. Inside, you will find your carry case. Open the carry case to reveal your Bose frames, along with additional nose pad sizes and a USB charging cable. Also inside the box is a microfiber cleaning cloth. And finally, a quick start guide and important safety information. The frames come with size 2 nose pads already attached. Put on the frames and move your head up and down to check if they comfortably rest over your eyes. If the lenses don't sit properly, try another nose pad size. Firmly pull the bottom of the nose pad down and away from the frames. Properly align the nose pad hole with the bottom of the nose pad arm. Pull the nose pad up then in until you feel it click into place. Try the frames on again until you find the proper fit for you. To power on your frames, press the button on the right temple. If the frames do not power on, connect them to power to wake them up. Connect the small end of the USB cable to the USB-C port located on the bottom of the right temple. Connect the other end to a USB-A wall charger or a computer that is powered on. Once you see the status light blink, remove the USB cable and try powering them on again. Okay, to complete setup and learn more about your frames, we recommend downloading the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Log in or create a new My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap the plus button and then select Headphones and Frames. A scan will begin searching for your frames. Once they appear, click Connect. Follow the app instructions to complete setup. Once connected, you'll hear a voice prompt announce the connected device, or you'll see the status light glow solid blue, then fade to black. You can also add your frames via the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device. Your Bose Frames Tempo are now set up. For additional support, visit our website.